We're going to do a real quick demonstration of this ATI dimpling machine. This is a stationary machine used to hot dimple sheet metal for the purpose of making a recess for the rivets, mainly used in aircraft manufacturing. Here's just an example of some of the ones, and you can see that it's not tuned in yet for this particular thickness. Some are too deep. That one looks a little better. So the controller is pretty simple. You just set the temperature. We're at like about 600 now. The pre-pressure regulator, and then here is a timer for the dwell that it stays on the pre-pressure regulator. This timer is not used with this machine. And then so here's the upper and lower heated platens, and currently there is a particular die in there that says 1/4 inch. And then here's the foot pedal to actuate it. We just put that like that, and then we hit the foot switch. And then now it comes down for the predetermined dwell. And then when you hear that click, then it goes to the high pressure and applies a greater force. And then I think we have another hole. We can do one more.